Good morning all. Today we can discuss rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay. Before that, first we can discuss it is very easy to find out. Okay, natural numbers between any two given natural numbers. If it is given 4 and 9, two natural numbers is given 4 and 9. All of you know what are the natural numbers in between these two. It is very easy. It will be 5, 6, 7, 8. There will be a definite number. We will get how many natural numbers are there in between these two. We got 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 natural numbers we got. Okay. Just like if it is in the case of integers. Suppose find out the integers in between -3 and 4. Two integers given. First integer is given -3 and second integer is given 4. In between these two integers, how many integers are there? So it is very easy. It will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely there is 6 integers are there. Okay. There will be a definite number in the case of natural numbers and integers. But in the case of rational number, what will happen? Suppose here we got one example. We will get 3 by 10. One rational number 3 by 10. 3 by 10. One rational number 3 by 10. And another rational number I took 7 by 10. Just like this, how many rational numbers will be lies in between these two? This we can just will think that there will be next after 3 by 10. Next rational number we can write it as 4 by 10. Next 5 by 10. 6 by 10. So how many rational numbers we got it now? It is only 3 rational numbers. Okay. But in this case you look. In this rational numbers 3 by 10. Instead of this 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. We can write the same rational as like this. Instead of 3 by 10, we can write it as 30 by 100. Is it same? 3 by 10 is equal to 30 by 100. That all of you know. Just like 7 by 10. Instead of 7 by 10, what we can write? 7 by 10, we can write it as 70 by 100. Now you look, when we change this, when we find out the equivalent rational of the given rational, we got another rational as 30 by 100 and 70 by 100. Now if you check how many rational numbers here, is it only 3? No, we will get up to 31. We can first write after 30 by 100 we can write it as 31 by 100. Next 32 by 100. Then last 69 by 100. 7 by 10. So what we generally we can conclude in the case of rational numbers, there is not definite number, there is infinite number of rational numbers lies. Okay, not like natural numbers and whole numbers. In the case of natural numbers and whole numbers, we got only a definite number that we can count. But in the case of rational numbers, it is not countable. If you change the its equivalent rational, if you find out the equivalent rational of the given rational, we will get more rationals in between these two. Okay, that is the difference of rational numbers and whole numbers and natural numbers case. That is clear. If you again suppose now we got only this much, that also we can count. If it is again instead of 30 by 100, if we wrote 300 by 1000, because it is the equivalent rational of this, and instead of 70 by 100, instead of 70 by 100 I wrote 700 by 1000. Now how many we got? From 301 by 1000, now 302 by 1000, then etc. up to 699 by 1000. That much up to 302, 304 up to 699. We got so many rational numbers in between this. So it is one way of finding rational numbers between two given rational.